All right, we'll go on the record. Today's date is July 28th, 2022. In Lubbock County, Texas, I call cause number 99508-074 in the interest of the Gonzalez Aguayo children. Present today is Mr. O'Neill representing the state. Is the state ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. State is present, ready to proceed today.
Also present today is Vince Martinez, the attorney representing Ms. Aguayo. Are you ready, Mr. Martinez?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Aguayo, Angela Maria Aguayo, was present earlier by telephone. However, Mr. Martinez is proceeding in her stead. The court's file reflects that Freddie Gonzalez was served with notice of these proceedings back on May 25th, 2022. This hearing was set for 9 a.m. and it's now approximately 9:35 and he's not made any appearance today. So we are proceeding to default. All right. And what are you seeking? What is the agreement between Mr. O'Neill and Mr. Martinez?
Your Honor, Mr. Freddie Gonzalez is currently incarcerated in Lubbock County Jail and has been since February of this year. He is in on charges of aggravated sexual assault of a child, and we will admit his pay record shortly on that. Given his incarceration, we are asking with no release date right now. He's still pending trial. We are asking that the court go ahead and modify support today based upon the fact that he is incarcerated, does not have the ability to earn an income, set his current support going forward at zero, and then take a judgment on the past due child support that is owed and order a repayment on those judgments amount. Additionally, Your Honor, there's a request for a non-disclosure of Miss. Sorry, forgive me. I shuffled lots of my names here, of Miss Aguayo's information in the court order. She does have safety concerns with Mr. Gonzalez, I think, in part due to those aggravated sexual assault of a child charges that he currently has pending against him.
All right, Mr. Martinez, is your client in agreement? Is that your understanding?
It is, Your Honor. And as to the charges pending against Mr. Gonzalez, one of the accusations involves the child named in this lawsuit. So I would support the request for the non-disclosure order in this case.
All right. Based on that, and do you have an exhibit to admit Mr. O'Neill?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would admit as state's exhibit 1, the financial activity report, the updated version of the financial activity report as originally attached to our initial pleadings. We would also ask to admit as state's exhibit 2, the redacted jail sheet for Mr. Gonzalez, which shows his current charges at this time.
All right. Based on the evidence before me, then I'm granting a judgment for the arrearage is owed as of what date, Mr. O'Neill?
Your Honor, and we would actually ask for judgments to be taken as of June 30th, and then we would ask that the new obligation, the parties were served in May, that the new obligations setting to zero begin July 1st.
All right, I'm granting that relief. And what's the payout going to be?
Your Honor, we have not. I didn't discuss specific payouts with Mr. Martinez. Sorry, give me just a second here. But at the amounts that the judgment on the child support would be for $7,245.64. We would ask for a payment of on that about $200 a month upon his release to begin paying that back, and the medical support's at $2,289.22. we would ask for the repayment on that judgment at $100 a month.
All right, I'm granting that request then and entering the judgment against Mr. Gonzalez. I'm granting the non-disclosure. I'm assessing court costs against Mr. Gonzalez due a year from now. So August 1st of 2023. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, Your Honor, I believe that's everything that the state has pled for.
All right, Mr. Martinez.
Yes,
Is there
nothing from our
anything
side.
else?
Your Honor.
All right, then Mr. O'Neill will prepare that order for my signature and I'll sign off on it. Right. Good luck to Ms. Aguayo. Please convey my best wishes to her and her family. Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused.
You may. Bye-bye.
Vince, did you want to sign off on the order before I submitted it to Judge Sundstrom?
That's whatever easiest, Justin. I